Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review today on this combination Kitchenaid wall oven, model number KOCE500ESS. What is really cool about this combo wall oven, it doesn't just act as a microwave and an oven. This microwave up here does double up as also a convection oven as well. So you do get a convection microwave oven too. So let's start off down here with just the oven. Pretty basic on a few things here. We have the glided racks out here, so it's easy to access any food or anything like that, and you can just slide that back in without taking out the racks if anything is hard to reach. Also have the temperature probe right here, which just pops into the side. So that's going to basically tell you the internal temperature of your food without you having to open up the oven, and it'll pop up on the display up here. A really cool fact about the convection cooking here on this oven is it does have this unique bow tie design, and they actually call that what is it? Even heat true convection. So basically it's going to give you the perfect convection cook even on newer recipes that you haven't used before. It's going to be the perfect convection cook for you without even having to adjust or adapt it. So that's the oven. Now up here we have your microwave. So we do have a convection fan at the back right there, and we also do have a hidden bake element up top here too. So the microwave itself is 900 watts and complete with the convection oven of 1600 watts as well. Also does come with this crisper pan as well, so it's great for baking, grilling, and all that kind of stuff. So basically it's going to take the guesswork out of any convection cooking on the microwave. So that's that, and then obviously you have this really sleek design here, which is all touch, and everything doesn't need to have any buttons or anything like it. It's just all touch screen, and yeah, that's it. That's why I love this product. I think it's really great. I really especially love the fact that it's going to have almost 3-in-1 just for a 2-piece with the extra convection with the microwave as well. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. There are plenty of features to check out on this combo wall oven that you can look at our website. So that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please check out our website, appliancefactory.com, where you can also purchase this, or you can come into any of our stores. We also have stock of these as well. Have a good one. Thank you.